Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Juhi Thakur, your SST teacher. Dear students, today we are going to do the revision of our chapter 1, Metropolitan Cities of India, part 1. Watch this video till the end and now quickly mark your attendance in the comment box. So, are you ready? Let's begin. A metropolitan city is a highly developed city where a large number of people live. There are many metropolitan cities in India, but in this chapter I will explain you about 3 metropolitan cities. New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. It is situated along the banks of the river Yamuna. All the main offices of the Government of India are located in New Delhi because it is the capital. There are many monuments and places of tourist attraction in Delhi, like India Gate. India Gate is a 42-meter high war memorial built in memory of the soldiers of the Indian Army who died in World War I. Red Fort. The fort is built in red sandstone, therefore it is also called Lal Killa. Rajghat. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. People from many states live here. All major Indian festivals are celebrated in Delhi. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is known as India's economic capital. It is situated on the west coast of India facing the Arabian Sea. The first railway line in India was set up by the Britishers between Mumbai and Thane. There are many places of tourist interest in Mumbai, like the Gateway of India is a popular tourist spot. Marine Drive is famous for its view of the Arabian Sea, especially at sunset. Marine Drive is also called the Queen's Necklace. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival. In 1996, the name of the city was changed from Bombay to Mumbai. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is one of the busiest railway stations in India. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Calcutta was the capital of the British Empire in India till 1911. In the year 2001, the government of West Bengal officially renamed Calcutta as Kolkata. Kolkata is famous for its British architecture. Fort William is an important historical monument. Victoria Memorial is famous for its statues and paintings. Most of you have heard about Howrah Bridge, but do you know it has a special feature? The special feature of the bridge is that it does not have pillars. It is supported by cables, and now this bridge is called Rabindra Setu. The main food is rice and fish curry. Bengali sweets are very famous. Durga Puja and Kali Puja are the most important festivals here. Kolkata is famous for its tram system. It is an interesting 300-year-old two-coach mini train which runs through the crowded markets, roads and street of Kolkata. So this is it for today. I hope you understood this chapter very well. But still, if you have any query, then you can mention in the comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.